In this video, I'll unbox the 10-inch GVM Bicolor Edge Video LED soft light and tell you about how it works. I've been a fan of GVM lights for about a year and a half. I bought the GVM 100W back then and have loved it ever since. So when I started to consider what light I should get as something more portable that I could attach to my office desk, my first thought was to see what GVM has to offer. Let's open it up. The box contains a desk mount stand, a carrying case, a 10-inch soft light, and an AC power adapter. The desk clamp light stand measures 13 inches tall and can be extended to 23 inches. The clamp can attach to desks or tables from about ½ an inch thick to about 3 1/4 inch thick. It has some foam padding at the top to reduce the likelihood that it'll damage desk surfaces. The carrying case can easily hold the light, the stand, the clamp, and the power cables. The light has 2 thumb screws at either side that let you adjust its angle. It also has a standard light stand mount at the bottom, which means you can use it with other light stands easily. The front of the light is a soft LED circle 9 inches in diameter. On the back of the light, there are 2 slots for batteries and a port for AC power. To the right is a CCT knob that lets you adjust the color temperature from 3200 Kelvin to 5600 Kelvin. Next to that is a brightness knob that takes you to 99% brightness. These 3 buttons across the center relate to wireless. This light has wireless capabilities and can be controlled with a smartphone app. The up and down arrows let you change the wireless channel. The mode reset button lets you reset the Wi-Fi password back to factory default. The power switch on the right lets you toggle from AC power to off to DC or battery power. Hey, this is Ivan from the future. I just wanted to let you know I've been using this GVM light for a few weeks now, and I really like it. There are a few things that I've noticed that I thought it would be important to share with you. The first is that the brightness on this light goes from 10% all the way up to 100%. Initially, I thought that was just the mobile app starting at 10%, but even if you use the physical dial on the back of this light, it starts at 10%, and then it goes up 1 percentage point by 1 percentage point all the way up to 100%. Now, if you're in a room that you don't have complete control of the lighting situation, for example, you might have a big window behind you, like I do, then you may discover that sometimes the light doesn't get as bright as you would want it to be. And what I found in my own use of this particular product is that the best position for the light is immediately behind and either just a little bit to the left or a little bit to the right of your camera. That's exactly what I'm using right now. That's where I have the light. You know what? I'm going to throw up some B-rolls so you can see what that looks like. And there you go. So I really like it. The quality is great. The clamp, the stand, and the framing around the light are all made out of metal, which makes it really durable. Now I'm going to pass you back to Ivan from the past, who is going to wrap things up. All in all, it's great. The portability of this light is what I was hoping for, backed by the quality that GVM brings to bear. I'm happy with my purchase, and I would buy it again if I had to. And I guess I should mention that this video is not sponsored. I bought this light with my own money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.